Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. And I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we studied major sources of water pollutants, and today's we will study another very important health-related topic, which is waterborne diseases. Now, let's discuss in details. Waterborne diseases. Water pollution not only affects the environment but also human health. Now, definition of waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases are diseases caused by drinking or using contaminated water containing harmful microorganisms. These microorganisms include bacteria, viruses, protozoa. Causes of waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases are mainly caused by drinking polluted water, poor sanitation, untreated sewage entering water, lack of proper water treatment. Common waterborne diseases. Some common waterborne diseases are cholera, typhoid, dysentery, HepatitisA, diarrhea. These diseases spread rapidly in areas with unclean water supply. Transmission of waterborne diseases. My dear student, waterborne diseases spread through drinking contaminated water, eating food waste with polluted water, poor hygiene practices. Symptom of waterborne diseases. My dear student, common symptoms of waterborne diseases include diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, fever, dehydration. Severe cases can be life-threatening if not treated. Prevention of waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases can be prevented by safe drinking water, boiling water, filtration, chlorination. Proper sanitation. For proper sanitation, proper disposal of sewage, clean toilets, and drainage systems. Personal hygiene, as like washing hands before eating, keeping food clean. Public awareness, educating people about clean water and hygiene. Importance of clean water. Dear student, clean water is essential to prevent diseases, maintain good health, ensure safe living conditions. Now, summary of waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases are caused by contaminated water, caused by bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. Common diseases include cholera and typhoid, spread through polluted water and poor hygiene, prevented by clean water and sanitation. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on waterborne diseases. I hope you are understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.